Fantastic. So you got a lot out of the writing workshop.
Well, yeah. We got a lot, including an angle. No, it was really good. It was really good to. I think I got to the workshop with maybe 20, 30 pages of background on the company, which is huge and ridiculously huge. So it was very helpful to put some order into this and find the angle that would be most exciting, not just most exciting for students, but also more relevant. The angle that would make sense with the kind of research that we do, and in which we could put more than just a nice story. We could use the case to explain models that we've published, and that became, at this point, it became really exciting.